Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This will be an in-depth tutorial where I'll be showing you step by step how you can start making money with Audible's affiliate program. We'll go over everything you need to know in this guide, how the program works, commission amount, and how you can start earning with Audible affiliate commissions as soon as today. The first step is signing up for an Audible account. The great news here is that we can easily get a completely free 30-day trial membership on Audible. This will not only allow us to access affiliate program, but also explore the Audible platform and listen to unlimited audiobooks for a full month without paying. If you already have an Audible account, then simply log into your account, and if not, then head over to audible.com and click Start 30-day free trial to create your account. It only really takes a couple of minutes. The other very cool thing here is that you can listen to as many audiobooks as you want during the trial, and you can simply cancel anytime within those 30 days if you decide not to continue, and you're not going to be charged at any point. But either way, we do need the account to join the affiliate program, so be sure to grab that free trial. Now, an important note, even if you did the free trial and later cancelled and you are now a non-member, you can still participate in the affiliate program and earn commissions by referring other affiliates. Affiliate status is separate from having an active Audible subscription. So now with my account created, I can now access and join the affiliate program. This part is really easy. Simply scroll down and click affiliate at the very bottom of the Audible website. This will now take you to a page with some basic information about their affiliate program and a link to it, so join it. Click the join button to head over to Audible's affiliate program registration of the Awin platform. Awin is a popular affiliate network that handles the back-end tracking, payment, and reporting for many big affiliate programs. Clicking that Awin link will take you to the Audible affiliate program page on Awin. This is where we can officially sign up to become an affiliate. It starts by asking you to select the promotional methods that you use, and for us we're going to be choosing content creators since we'll be using online content to promote Audible. Further down, it shows the commission structure. You'll be earning £4 for every user that signs up for free 30-day Audible trial through your affiliate link, and you earn £7 for any paid Audible membership signups. For the website URL, you can just enter any link that you like, such as your Instagram profile or YouTube channel if you have one, and if not, don't worry, you can leave this blank for now too. In the description box, enter something like book summaries to summarize what type of content you plan to make. This helps you match your relevant advertiser offers. Next, select any applicable content categories for your niche. For book content, categories like education, lifestyle, or entertainment make sense. Finish filling in your account details and submit the application. Awin will review and approve your content, then you can start generating your affiliate links. And now for promoting Audible through affiliate links. So after you've got your Audible affiliate approved, how can we effectively promote Audible products and services so that we can start earning commissions? Now, one excellent way that works extremely well is to create book summary style videos on YouTube and include your Audible affiliate link in the description. You can search on YouTube for any title of summary to see examples of accounts doing this type of content and then get inspiration. But essentially, they summarize popular books either visually with voiceovers or even both. And the great part is it's very easy, straightforward content to produce even with no technical skills needed. And it does generate a ton of views and engagement on YouTube. You're going to notice that many of these book summary channels include Amazon affiliate links so viewers can buy the physical book. So as an Audible affiliate, we can simply swap in our unique Audible affiliate link instead. And this way, viewers can get the audiobook version if they prefer. Plus, you can earn revenue from YouTube video views on top of the Audible commissions. So this is very achievable income with some consistency and optimization. Some channels get millions of views per video doing simple book summaries just like this. So if you want to leverage Audible's affiliate program to earn strong commissions in a short time with just a little effort, then this is really your way to go. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos that we make.